Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Memberful for membership site sales, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Memberful website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your Memberful account. Click on the Settings tab in the dashboard. Select Payments from the drop-down menu. Here, you can configure your payment options. Enter your payment processor details. Connect your PayPal or Stripe account. Make sure to save your settings. Next, go to the Products section. Click on the Add Product button. Choose the type of membership you want to offer. Fill in the product details, including name and description. Set the pricing for the membership level. Decide on the billing frequency, such as monthly or yearly. You can also add a trial period if desired. Make sure to save the product after filling out all details. Now, navigate to the Site section. Here, you will find the integration options. Select the platform you are using, like WordPress or Squarespace. Follow the prompts to complete the integration process. Once integrated, customize the checkout experience if needed. Add any additional settings for email notifications. Now, go back to your dashboard. To promote your membership, create a landing page. Provide clear information about the benefits of joining. Finally, test the entire subscription process. Make adjustments based on your testing results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.